Hey everyone, today we're going to look at how you can use the Lectern to trigger a command block in Minecraft Education. Alright, let's have a look at this one. I've actually set it up as an example. So what we want to do is we want to take a lectern and then we're going to kind of put it down. I've kind of got a wall to explain the transfer of redstone here. And then behind it, we're going to put a command block, okay, as well. Or there it is there, ready to go. So I'm going to put my lectern down just like that, okay. Now, the reason I put the wall here is just as a reminder or to explain that essentially that you can have a one block gap distance between the two, that the redstone signal, which is the trigger for the command block, will flow through, okay? But because we're using a lectern, what I'm going to do is place down a comparator like so, and so the arrow is facing in to the command block. And then all I've done here is put in this command, okay? You can put really anything in, but I put in a weather thunder command. Now, how do you trigger this? It's nice and simple. Nice, lovely night in my Minecraft world. I'm gonna pop down this book, okay, and then here it comes. So here comes, and I've even got this open here to just show the water coming in. There you go. Is that it's going to change to a thunderstorm, okay? So I've actually got the sound off so you can't hear the thunder, but that is how the lectern works basically. So all you need to do is to make sure that a book is placed on it, and that will trigger off the command that sits behind it, or really anything. You could also bizarrely use it to power pistons or open doors, whatever you need it to do. But that is the lectern. Hope you enjoy using it. We'll see you again soon. Cheers.